Hello everyone, this is Asim and welcome to my channel Syntax Error. In this video we are going to see ternary operator in C programming language. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, this is going to be a little small topic, okay, but an important one because you should know everything. As you are a beginner, you should know everything from basics, like all the basics. Okay, so this is a ternary operator in C programming language, and this is same as like how you have used if else statements like that. Okay, it's a conditional operator. So I'll just let you know how you can write this statement. Okay, so first will be your this condition, logical condition. Suppose like if you want to check some greater number, a is greater than b or b is greater than a, suppose like that. Okay, then this will be then it comes like question mark, then true, colon or false. Like if the condition is true, what you're going to do, like what you're going to print, or what you're going to assign the value, suppose like that. And if the false, what the value will be. Okay, so I'll give you a small example over here. Suppose we will just check the greater number. Okay, so if we give a is 10, then b is equal to 15. Okay, so I'll just write this code. Okay, sorry, int c, okay, integer c is equal to, we'll put an logical expression here, like a condition, okay, which will be a is greater than b. Okay, then the question mark comes, and if a is greater, then we'll give the value of a to c. Okay, and if b is greater, then we'll give value of b to c. Okay, so it can depend on what you want. If you want the smaller one to go to c, so you can play around. Okay, I'll just print over here, just a second. Okay, so this is how you write a ternary operator, and like a ternary condition also you can say. If a is greater than b, it will if the condition is true, it will assign the value of a to c, and if the condition is false, it will assign the value of b to c. Okay, let us print and see what's the output. Okay, what the output is. Okay, the value of c is, okay, so I just forgot percentage d over here, just a second, percentage d. Okay, so let us see, let us run and see the program, what's the output comes. Okay, so as you can see, the value of c is 15, as this condition doesn't meet. Okay, a is not greater than b, then it gives uh, the value of b to c, because the a is not greater than b, and it's a false statement. Suppose what we do, we just change it to 20 and we'll see what the output is. Okay, so the value of c is 20. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. Okay, so it this side is true, like after the question mark the first a is true, and after the colon the b is false. So it depends on you, whatever you want to choose, whatever variable you want to choose, you can do. Okay, so this is just the one example I have told you, like I have shown you all. There is a lot of things. Okay, so what I want you all to do is like, after seeing my video, try to do some research. Okay, uh, try to do some research, go on internet, see some theory also, because theory knowledge is as much as important as practical knowledge. Okay, so this is how you write a ternary operator in C, or a ternary condition in C programming language, guys. I hope you all did like the video, and yes, if you did, please like, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends, guys. And if you have any question, you can comment down below, and you can let me know. Okay, and I'm trying to like start a tutorial in Hindi as well. So if you are interested, please let me know in comments. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Have a good day. Happy programming.